There you go.
I'm eating my pizza in here too.
Alright, the first thing you want to do is take off this bolt.
Okay.
Well, we can get rid of fuel that's not going through the carburetor, but we need to undo this bolt.
Okay.
And I think it's a 9/16.
Okay.
Let's try the 12 first. Oh, it is half for Brigs and Stratton. Amazing. Come on. So we're gonna need a
motor.
no, it's a TroyBuilt.
TroyBuilt.
Should have used a socket. Anyway, this is your fuel bowl where the float needles are and everything. Ooh, that smells nasty. And you have to blow all this stuff out. And I'll show you that too. Here's a pin. You push it, pull it out, and then you have your needle valve. Ooh, plastic and not brass. Your needle valve. There's a tiny piece of rubber right there that seals in that hole.
Oh.
Gasket off of there. Pliable, not cracking. Oh, cracking sounds good. That's in pretty good shape. How old's this mower? 7 years old?
Mom always took it into that lawnmower shop on 16th and had them service everything.
On 16th?
It was 16th and 7th in the corner.
Oh.
It used to be a gas station. Now it's a taco wagon and a shop.
No, there's no taco wagon anymore.
Oh.
That is... I know who you're talking about.
They're good.
Well, that's why I got the muffler for the ride mower.
Yeah, they're really good.
Right. See all that gum in there? That's why it's not starting.
Hang on. Quit moving it so I can focus with my progressives here. Okay.
And it doesn't have any jet that you can unscrew and pull out. So we're going to have to do compressed air on this puppy. Nice. Try to keep the gasket in good shape. You can get fuel on it. Not a good idea, but still, yeah, it's peeling off of the aluminum. So I'm just going to leave it. Okay, watch your eyeballs. Yeah. Dang it. Usually there's a spring under here, and then you can adjust the float by bending the brass, but it's all plastic. So I'm really hoping that it does the correct fuel level.
It was always a pain in the butt.
Well, it's TroyBuilt. It's because Troy built it. And put it back on. Can't believe there's no drain coming off of there.
By the way, this is how you use your snack mix when you're working around stuff. You wrap the baggie around your hand so you just dump it in your mouth. May I ask a silly question?
There is no silly questions, just silly answers.
Okay. I know that it goes like this, but where's the two you took off? Are these them?
Hold on a second, I can't even see the video. It's probably pretty close, eh?
These are the two bolts you took off.
Yeah, but this goes this way to the motor. You want to make sure that rubber gasket is good. I think it looks really good.
That's not the one that goes. This side goes.
No, it does not. This side goes to the motor, right?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay. So, this one goes in this hole. And what's that? Throttle.
Throttle.
What's that?
Butterfly plastic.
Automatic choke. Hold on a second. Okay. Now use this right here. Hand thread before torque. Need some hair on it?
You didn't even notice I shaved it?
What? Shut This is how.
On the bed
Oh, wait a
is
minute.
just crazy.
This is how you brush a spark plug. And the gap is good at 6.5, 6.8-ish. Oh, why don't you pull that and let's see what comes out.
For what?
Pull the cord and we'll see what comes out. No, stand up and pull it. Yeah, just a pull.
With no fuel on?
Just pull. Pull it. Good. You're good.
Okay.
Quit being a ding dong.
Really? I need explicit directions.
Okay, so this spark plug, you don't want to reef on it. You make
I know.
contact and just barely
Tighten,
do
yeah.
it. Just barely.
Same thing on vehicles.
Because you're going steel into aluminum.
Yeah.
All right, hook up the fuel line. Oh, you didn't get that one?
What one?
Oh, this is backwards, isn't it?
This one goes there.
Yeah, it's backwards. Because that one was on that one. And it doesn't matter, I guess.
This is the one that has the crack in it. In the line. You want to see that before you...
A crack?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's just the outside. It's all good. I just flipped it around. get this little clamp here. That's for your pinky,
I
so
know.
it doesn't slip. Well, put it on, you know. Really? One? Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. One try. Woo! And that's how it works.
Cool.
Yeah? Knuckle bump?
Yep.
Sweet. Another knuckle bump? Down here? Knuckle bump.
There you go.
That's pretty much it, babe.
Alright, can I put the rest of the fuel in it?
How about we put all the covers back on and
What covers? Other than that?
covers and cable deal. Yeah.